You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this king of the United Kingdom. We'll be looking at how to say more names from history that are confusing. Known as the Great, it's usually said either Cnut, the Great, or it can also be pronounced as Cnut, King Cnut, or King Cnut. It's easy, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.